In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the paper out error on the Epson L6170 printer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Right now, the Epson L6170 printer has stopped working because of the paper out error. First, open the front paper cassette of the printer and check if there is paper inside. If the cassette is empty, the paper out error will appear on the screen. As you can see, there is paper inside the cassette, so the problem is not caused by an empty tray. Gently pull your Epson L6170 printer out. Then take off the back cover to reach the Duplex system and paper turning mechanism. Now we can see the main issue. The paper is jammed in the printer's Duplex system, preventing the printer from ejecting it, which is causing the error. You need to check all areas at the back of the printer to make sure no foreign objects are stuck inside. Even the printer rollers should be inspected. If they are damaged or have serious issues, they need to be repaired or replaced. Now, we turn on the printer and run a test to see if the problem is resolved. And that's it. We've identified the jam, cleared the paper, checked the rollers, and tested the printer. Now your Epson L6170 is back to running smoothly. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues and keep your printer performing at its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.